What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And what would you like to rate my brand new chopper that I created today? So something's on my TV. So I'll show you how my chopper, and maybe I'll be giving a tutorial on it. I don't know, maybe in another video. But yeah, can you rate my brand new chopper? Is it? I call it the goofy chopper because it has, these wiggly glass. So yeah, we just have to inclusion this, get out, die, go back in, and then stop vibing. So guys, I might be give me a second. I might be doing another saves video, so stay tuned to that. It'll be coming out like maybe today, okay? Maybe today or maybe tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned to that. And I want that to also get a lot of views. Let's aim for 100 likes. How about that, please, guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, see you all in the next video.